Enjoy every moment right here today. Grateful hearts will show us the way. Every second has something to say. Believe in yourself and you will stay. Life keeps moving, it turns around. Do not stop when you fall down. Every story waits to be found. Every dream can live from the ground. When your heart is feeling weak, hold your hope, the light will speak. Enjoy every moment right here today. Grateful hearts will show us the way. Every second has something to say. Believe in yourself and you will stay. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sometimes roads are winding and long. Sometimes courage feels almost gone. Still we need to carry on strong. Life will guide us where we belong. When your heart is feeling weak, hold your hope, the light will speak. Enjoy every moment right here today. Grateful hearts will show us the way. Every second has something to say. Believe in yourself and you will stay. Every moment has its own sign. Do not waste the gift of time. As long as the breath is near, we can face it all with no fear. Enjoy every moment right here today. Grateful hearts will show us the way. Every second has something to say. Believe in yourself and you will stay.